Hi, my name is Noelle. I live in Illinois, and I am an administrative assistant at a therapy practice and an inclusion aide for children with special needs. I wanted to take an IOA course because I wanted to be a better support for the kids that I work with and to help them become more successful. I just completed the Autism Awareness class, which was really helpful for me, and I am working on ASL right now, which is something that I've actually gotten to use at my job. And it was really cool to see one of my kids' faces when I used ASL with him because he just lit up, and it was the most amazing experience to have someone just so happy to be able to communicate the way that he's comfortable with. IOA has been a lifesaver for me, and it's been just an amazing experience to be able to just take some time, learn new things, and better help the kids that I work with.